Best cream roll in the whole world. We show you the video.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make perfect cream roll in air fryer. So here I'm using puff pastry from Pepper Rich, and you get 2 sheets. I'm using 1 sheet, and cut it like this, thin strips like this. Please keep watching so you don't miss any step or any method here. So we are cutting all the strips like this. Finally, we're going to take each strip in hand and paste it. You can also use water to paste each corners like this. Little water, you can brush on each corner and you can paste it easily. So I'm pasting each strips like this all together. So you can see how we are pasting it. Next you can take a mold to put this on it, but here I'm using a foil as I don't have any mold at home. So it's a DIY, you can make at home like this using a foil. Double fold it and you can half. Here I double fold it and cut it into half. Give it a shape like a cone or cylindrical. So we divide it into two. Now give it a shape. Cylindrical mold or cone shape we can give. So you can see here. I'm trying to make as many I can make with 2 to 3 sheets only. If you have any mold with you, you can try that, or we can do this way. Isn't it a cool idea? Just give any shape like this. Now take each foil like this and brush oil on it. And roll this pastry sheet, the strips that we cut, like this. Leave it little on top so that it will be easy for us to take it out at the last, which you will see in the video. So leave little part outside. Similarly from the other side also. Slowly and gradually we have to rotate each strips like this to give it a roll shape, cream roll shape. You can always use water to give it a final paste so that it stick to it. 2 flour pieces stick to each other. Here I am giving it a cylindrical shape so that once we remove the foil we can fill. There's a gap to fill in the cream inside. So this is done. Similarly, put each pastry sheet strips on each foil like this, but before that you have to brush oil. If you don't brush oil on it, you will not be able to take it out once the roll are ready. So it's always a good idea to apply oil on the foil. You can see how smoothly the foils are coming out. So rotate it like this. Here we rolled each pastry strips that we cut into the foil, and it's ready to be air fried. But before that, there's one more step that we should not miss, and it is to brush egg on each rolls to give that brown crispy texture to the cream roll. Take one egg. You can also apply milk instead of egg, but here I'm applying egg. Mix it well and brush on each rolls. On both the sides of each rolls, brush egg wash. So you can see how we are doing it. So till now we have not applied any oil on the pastry sheets, only on the foil we did, so that we can take the foil easily out once the rolls are air fried. So here in the basket we're going to brush oil. Here I'm using olive oil. You can use any oil that you use at home. Now place each rolls inside the basket. When you place each rolls inside the tray, make sure it's not sticking to each other. If it will not bake that section. And set the air fryer at 360 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Look how gorgeous it looks. It's perfectly done. Exact 15 minutes, it's done. We need not flip it. It will be done both sides evenly. You can see how it's cooked evenly. Now we will take it out and remove the foils from the rolls. Now take out the foils gently. Make sure that we are not breaking the rolls, the layered rolls. Also, there's one more tip I would like to share with you, that is, if you try to pull from one end, if it's not coming out, just try the other end. It will easily come out from there. See, I tried that side, it's not coming, but it will come from this side. How easily the foils are coming out, see. Also make sure that we are leaving little foils outside on both the ends so that we can pull it out easily. So all the foils are taken out. Now we will fill whipping cream inside each rolls. Normally we use heavy cream and sugar mix that we make to put it inside it, but here I am putting whipping cream. Put the whipping cream out from the refrigerator for half an hour before doing this. If we do it, it will be very easy to put it inside. It will be liquidy. You can see how. I want the cream to be little liquidy, so we can freeze it for like 5-10 minutes in the refrigerator. So once we fill each rolls, we can refrigerate it for 5-10 minutes. And see, they are ready. Now you can put sprinkles or you can add chocolate. You can be creative here with the cream roll. It's ready to be enjoyed. The perfect recipe in air fryer. I hope you enjoyed this recipe.
Bye. Take care, everyone.